Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure 2 cups flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 TSB yeast before you start. These exact amounts keep the in-game bagel texture consistent. Mix into a smooth dough and knead for 5 minutes until elastic and slightly tacky, using the on-screen counter motion to simulate real kneading. Let dough rise for 45 minutes at warm temperature, while you tap the screen to check progress and play mini. Divide dough into 6 equal pieces, about 90 grams each, so all bagels cook evenly in the game oven. Use the in-game scale to confirm weight. Stretch each piece and form a hole about 1.5 inches wide to create that classic ring shape, then let them rest for 10 minutes. Boil bagels for 60 seconds per side in simmering water with a spoonful of sugar to set the crust, then drain and place on the baking tray provided by the app. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and bake for 18 minutes until golden, using the virtual oven dial to hit the exact temperature and watching the timer bar. Brush bagels with egg wash and top with seeds if desired, sesame, poppy, or everything spice, using precise taps to avoid overloading the surface. Cool 10 minutes before slicing to finish texture, then serve in-game to characters or save in the virtual fridge. Follow the simple sharing controls to plate and present your bagels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.